Welcome, fellow financial enthusiasts, to an exciting journey into the world of growing green compound interest. Today we'll explore the seismic shifts reshaping the investing and financial landscape and discover actionable strategies to maximize our wealth sustainably. So buckle up and get ready to embark on this empowering financial adventure. Shifts in the investing world. Over the past decade, the investing world has undergone a profound transformation. The once dominant industries powered by fossil fuels and unsustainable practices have given way to a new era of green investing. Investors and businesses alike are recognizing the need to align their interests with environmental stewardship. Green energy, eco-friendly technologies, and companies committed to sustainable practices are thriving, leading to significant returns for conscientious investors. As we witness this tectonic shift toward sustainability, it's essential to acknowledge the tremendous potential for growing green compound interest. By integrating sustainable investing principles into our financial strategy, we can not only secure our financial future, but also contribute to a greener and more prosperous world. Actionable advice: embrace sustainable investing. The days of considering sustainable investments as a mere side niche are long gone. Today it's a central pillar of sound financial planning. Look for companies leading the charge in renewable energy, clean technologies, waste reduction, and social impact. By investing in such businesses, you support positive change while generating handsome returns. Take, for instance, a savvy investor named Maya. Recognizing the global push towards sustainability, she invested early in a solar energy startup. As the company expanded and gained market share, so did Maya's wealth. Her foresight not only brought her financial success but also contributed to reducing carbon emissions and combating climate change. Diversify your portfolio. While sustainable investing offers enormous potential, it's crucial to remember that no investment is entirely risk-free. Diversification remains a critical element in any successful investment strategy. Allocate your capital across a mix of assets, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and even sustainable funds. This strategy will protect your wealth from market fluctuations and ensure steady growth. The compounding magic. At the heart of sustainable wealth building lies the power of compounding. When you reinvest your earnings, they grow exponentially over time. It's like planting a seed and watching it turn into a flourishing tree that bears fruit year after year. Let's illustrate this with a real-life example. Meet James, an investor who started early and consistently contributed to a green mutual fund. Over the years, his investments not only grew in value, but also benefited from the compounding effect. By the time he was ready to retire, James had amassed an impressive nest egg, all thanks to the magic of compounding. Automation for financial success. In the fast-paced world we live in, time is a valuable asset. Leverage technology to automate your finances, from budgeting to investing. Utilize mobile apps and online platforms that allow you to set up regular contributions to your sustainable investment portfolio effortlessly. Anecdotes and relatable content. Imagine attending a family gathering where Uncle John, a seasoned investor, shares his tale of discovering green compound interest. At first, his relatives were skeptical, thinking it was just another fad. However, as they saw Uncle John's wealth blossom over the years, they became intrigued and eager to learn more about sustainable investing. Now picture yourself walking through a bustling city, surrounded by the latest eco-friendly innovations. Solar panels adorn rooftops, electric vehicles hum along the streets, and sustainable businesses thrive in every corner. This vision is no longer a distant dream. It's the reality we can create through our conscious investment choices. As we conclude this thrilling journey through the realm of growing green compound interest, we are left with a profound realization. Sustainable investing isn't just a financial strategy, it's a moral imperative. By channeling our investments towards a greener future, we can cultivate lasting wealth while nurturing our planet. Thank you for joining me on this eye-opening adventure. If you're eager to learn more about smart investing and sustainable finance, stay tuned to our channel for exciting new content. Remember, the power to unleash the green compound interest revolution lies in your hands. Let's grow our wealth sustainably and shape a better, more prosperous world for generations to come.